feels so good, good, good. I just feel so good, good, good. I just feel so good, good, good. I just feel so good, good, good. I just feel
The brakes just straight out don't work anymore. Full brakes.
By the way, so make sure you're subscribed. From there I decided, hey, we've made it this far across the country, so I might as well go touch the water. Not only was I wearing one of the coolest, best quality description, but I had done something that other people only dream about. Biking across the entire country and meeting one of my biggest inspirations. I'll never forget the memories I made on this trip or the people I met along the way. Now go comment what crazy idea I should do next and stay stoked.